Hi, so this is our demo of Concord Lite. So Concord Lite is basically an AG2 based verifier. Basically, it is an AG2 based. It is an it is an AG2 based workflow verifier. So if we have for AG2 workflows, so basically if you're running something on AG2, and if you have a workflow on AG2, then you have a certain contract, you have certain contracts which are defined that your workflow should follow. This can be for research. This can be for anything. So here we are doing it for research. For example, researchers have. Okay, and it creates a workflow. So now what our app is going to do is it's going to basically verify based on all the contracts that you have defined or that you have set whether your workflow is actually running it or not. So let me show you. So for example, the researcher runs the critique agent is going to critique it. And here in the verifier, it is failing. Okay. So what is failing? A particular contract is failing. And what does it mean? Sorry. What does it mean? So basically, there's a warning that reporter must do that twice. So there is a problem in the way the agents are running after each other. All right. If the workflow is basically faulty, it is not honoring what it was actually saying. So this is an issue. Routing as an issue. It is warning and then it is failing evidence. Reporter may write final answer only when verified sources count is greater than one, greater than zero, which means verified sources count has it's not greater than zero. All right. So something like that. So then if you want to see, you can see the workflow diagram. All right, it can show you where it went, what happened, and where it failed. You can see which agent to agent communication ideation failed, which agent to agent communication step failed. Okay. So reporter to action failed. And right, it was missing approval. All right, something like that. So what happens is in your original workflow, you need to define some contracts, and we are basically going to using our agents. Our agents are going to basically take in your context and figure out basically what you want, what you intended, the original contracts intended, and how the agent to agent workflow has been, how the communication workflow has been. So contract violations, and everything can be seen in violations. So this is just a page. This is the important page. This is the repair patch. So in repair patch, what we are doing is the a date on our session is running. And what it is going to do is it's going to generate a new. So when it generates a new date, saying that what could have had been done based on the contract, based on what was expected. And then there is a regression testing. Again, you create a Daytona session and you select the runner and you run everything. And now whatever field is now possible. Okay. And when that happens, we create right? And this is the reason in the regular. So that is pretty much it. Yeah. So that's what Concord Lite does. It's basically contract verifier. It is a verifier for workflow on AG2, which is being built. So that's it. That's